Beautiful people, welcome back to my time capsule. And today we'll be talking about something yang menurut saya sih seru. It's very good. This guy actually asked, okay, basically pertanyaannya, the question is, what about film sets? Do you actually make them or do you shoot what you get? That's a good answer. That's a good question, right? I mean, basically is film sets, okay? Basically, I mean, if you look at all the commercials, if you're talking about bumbu bumbu, iklan bumbu bumbu in the kitchen, cooking and whatnot, it's always a perfect kitchen. Perfect kitchen niya, ada island di belakangnya, ada buat masaknya. Everything looks really nice and perfect. If you're talking about people eating in a dining table, itu juga settingnya juga bagus banget. Because you've got the table itself in the dining room. In the background, ada apa tuh? Ada cupboards and whatnot, ada bunga, ada whatever. It looks really nice. Again, that's a perfect dining room. And you're talking about, let's say, orang lagi makan snack, nonton TV, they're just having fun, okay? And you look at the look at the living room. It's, again, always perfect. Ada sofa, ada mejanya, sometimes you see the TV, and in the background you see whatever. Tapi it's always perfect. You got a perfect kitchen, you got a perfect dining room, you got a perfect living room. Pokoknya everything is perfect. And as kita mo ngomong, they're all sets. Memang the ideal thing, if you want to shoot something that's in a kitchen, kalau ideal sih, you find a perfect kitchen. Oh, this is nice. You find a perfect the dining room. Tapi itu jarang banget. Consider this. If you have a nice kitchen setting, bagus sih bagus. Tapi you always have to think about space-nya nanti buat kameranya. Do we have enough space, room to move around? Jadi kameranya di sini atau di sini, maybe lightingnya dibikin, whatnot. Okay? The kitchen room may be perfect. Tapi mungkin sempit tempatnya. So, in the end of the day, if possible, we find a huge space and we make up the set. Either it be a kitchen set, dining room, or living room, or whatever. Tapi yang penting, we have enough space for the camera to move. Because once you do that, I mean, imagine you got lights, you got the camera, you got people walking, you got cables. Jadi we need a lot of space to move. Jadi kita bisa rada flexible. That's for the indoors. Now when you're talking about the outdoors, okay? Ada one experience is we wanted to shoot a floating market. Floating market di Barito, di Kalimantan. Yeah, I think it's Kalimantan, okay? And biasanya kan terkenal banget tuh the floating market. You got with hundreds, if not tens of kapal-kapal nelayan, plus ibu-ibunya with their produce. Ya jualan ini, jualan apa, pokoknya rame deh, the floating market. Nah dulu memang ada, and so kita datang ke situ, ke Barito, and rata-rata biasanya it was this one area yang bakal mereka ngumpul. And being floating market, jadi pagi-pagi dong. So, kita udah di Sungai Barito at 2 o'clock in the morning. Just tungguin aja. Waiting for the perahu-perahu untuk datang. And then 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, masih juga gitu. And about 4 o'clock, nah kita mulai siap-siap deh. About 4:30 to 5:30, matahari mulai dikit nongol. Kita udah siap-siap dong. Lihatin, this is where all the boats are gonna come. 4:30, 5 o'clock, I see no boats. 5:30, still no boats. 5:45, udah terang, no boats. Ini kenapa ya? What was that? Soalnya kalau zaman dulu sih, this is the spot where all the jualan floating market is. Nah, terus akhirnya kita, okay, we'll have to do that another day deh. Kita dong turun. And we found out bahwa floating market di situ udah nggak ada. Why? Because they got the wet market di dalam, and also the Super Indos, the Alfamarat, the whatnot, yang toko-toko kecil. Jadi they didn't do that anymore. So, tapi that was in the storyboard. So we had to shoot. Okay, fine, we'll shoot that tomorrow. Pagi-pagi, datang to the location, and what did we see? We saw like mungkin 75, maybe 100 boats yang bawa sayur, ada yang bawa tomato saja, ada yang bawa whatever, a whole bunch of stuff, okay? Itu yang ada di situ. And afterwards, how did we do that? Ya pagi-pagi, that's part of the film set. Akhirnya nemu tempat yang bagus, kameranya bakal di mana, udah, all these guys nyewain deh. Pokoknya besok mesti datang-datang. We had banyak bener perahu-perahu dengan sayur-mayur and whatnot. Everything ada di situ. That was a beautiful shot. That is also a film set. Dan itu tetap dibikin. Okay? So that was one. And another one, kalau yang saya suka, was we did a film set. The concept was theatrical. Yeah? Being theatrical means that we shot on a plantation. Asli the plantation. People ada, orang-orang di situ ada. And we did that on, it was supposed to be sunrise. Supposed to be sunrise, okay? Jadi kita ngambil rada gelap-gelap. And what we did was, kita bikin, yang yang orang-orang kampung nonton layar lebar ya. With the kain segede-gede buta gitu banyak bener. And so what we did was we painted on that. Ya kita samain antara plantationnya, terus di sini ada plantation, but in the background ada gunung, and the sun was coming up. It was theatrical. So, jadi nggak usah kelihatan asli bagus-bagus nggak, because it was theatrical. And being a theatrical kan jadi rada kayak, it's a theater basically, because all the workers were actually picking up the plants yang mereka were doing, but they were singing and having fun. Again, that was a set. Jadi a set outside juga. And for me, being a theatrical, menurut saya sih bagus ya. It was a combination of a real shoot, tapi we had this huge screen, bukan screen sih, dari kain gitu, as a background. Tapi it actually matched sama dengan segala macam ya. And because the concept was like that. Again, that's also a film set. Banyak sekali sih film-film set yang ada yang gede banget. Ada yang, okay, fine, well, what we have. Okay, I might have to do this again because I don't know if you can hear it. There's my dog is barking, right? There's probably somebody outside in the gate, but if I'm not, okay, I just go ahead. I hope it doesn't disturb you. So I hope this actually answers your question. What about film sets? Yang penting sih, if you're doing a film set indoor, cari tempat yang luas. Bukan apa-apa, untuk kameranya bisa bergerak, dan you have put on the lights banyak. You see many people, belum ada apanya. Okay, so it has to be huge. It has to be flexible. Kita bisa mobile. The camera has to be mobile because we want to shoot from this angle, we want to shoot from that angle, or maybe nanti ada sun masuk dari from the windows, masuk like a beautiful sunrise. Beautiful, ada masuk matahari ke dalam to the kitchen. Everything is always perfect. It can be perfect as long as the set is perfect. Okay, so I hope that answers your question. That's about film sets. And pokoknya either film sets mau besar, mau kecil, I don't know, grand or whatnot, as natural as possible. I think the most important thing is, okay, beautiful people, you stay beautiful. And peace